Break down solids in septic tanks without pumping. Here's how. Septic systems work quietly in the background, but solids can slowly build up inside the tank. If not managed, this buildup can cause blockages, foul odors, and even costly repairs. While pumping is the traditional fix, there are effective ways to break down solids in septic tanks without pumping by supporting natural processes and practicing smart maintenance. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the best ways to break down solids in septic tanks without pumping. 1. Use natural bacteria and enzymes. Adding biological additives introduces helpful bacteria that speed up the breakdown of organic waste. These natural treatments reduce sludge and scum without harming the tank's ecosystem, unlike chemical cleaners that disrupt microbial balance. 2. Watch what goes in. Prevention makes the biggest difference. Avoid flushing wipes, grease, or harsh chemicals since they don't decompose easily and strain the system. Installing a lint filter on your washing machine can also keep synthetic fibers out of the tank. 3. Support oxygen flow. Septic tanks are usually anaerobic, but limited oxygen exposure helps. Aerators or improved drainage can encourage aerobic bacteria, which digest solids more thoroughly. This reduces buildup and keeps the system running smoothly. 4. Stay consistent with maintenance. Even with these steps, routine checks are important. Professional inspections every few years combined with enzyme treatments keep the balance between waste and bacteria healthy, helping you extend the time between pump outs. It is possible to break down solids in septic tanks without pumping by combining natural additives, smart waste habits, oxygen support, and scheduled upkeep. With these methods, your septic system can remain efficient, odor-free, and long-lasting, saving you money and stress over time. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.